So in the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, by constitution, the General Assembly Council has to have 2 youth representatives, and that is how come automatically, as I am the National Youth President, myself and any other person, which automatically also is my General Secretary. So by constitution, it's supposed to be a male and a female. So I am a male and my General Secretary is a female. So as a member of the General Assembly Council, automatically by my portfolio as a youth president, I represent all the youths in the church. When it has to come to JY, 𝐤𝐬𝐳𝐸, YPG, and Brigade, I represent all of them at the General Assembly Council. Apart from that, too, any other task that is assigned to me by the council on committees and any other work as well, I do. So automatically the national president of YPG is a member of the General Assembly Council.
We are on GAC because we have been co-opted to be part of GAC to represent the young adults, and we are so grateful to share our opinion on the General Assembly Council. We were to send 2 representatives, and because I happen to be the president, we nominated a female to be part of me to be part of the General Assembly Council. Actually, once you are a GAC member, even though we are there to represent the Young Adult Fellowship, we share our views on everything about the church. It's not just about the young adult, but it's about the church.